I've been seeing a lot of videos lately showing people how to make better versions of classic fast food staples. Caviar Crunchwrap Supremes, Wagyu chicken nuggets, Rolex Baconators. But what happens when you have a craving for the original? Well, get ready for my new series, Not Better. We're still workshopping the name.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to try to recreate a fast food icon, and I'm not going to take any creative liberties whatsoever. We're making a Big Mac. Big Mac. Nope, that's not how you call it. Creative liberties have already happened. Let's make a Big Mac to the best of our abilities. We're going to start with the beef patties first so they come up to room temperature while we do all the other stuff. Beefy. So the Big Mac has 2 beef patties, and they both measure 45 grams. 45 grams for one, 45 grams for the other. Roll them into little tiny balls. Phew. You can use the rest of this to make a Mega Mac later. Mega Mac. That's what they called me in high school. That's not true. Smash your patties a little bit. Woo. Smashing my patties. Smash patties. Yeah. Woo. So now I'm going to caramelize these in a bit of balsamic vinegar. And by caramelize, I mean put them on raw like this, because that's how it's supposed to be done. 7 grams of onions. We're doing it the exact way it's supposed to be done. Down to the gram. You have my ox. Focus. Whoop. Shred some iceberg lettuce. Using any other kind of lettuce would be a titanic mistake. 28 grams of shredded lettuce. No worries. Salad is good for you. 3 slices of dill, pickle, and the rest is for me. Stop making it weird. Wipe it down, wipe. Pick some nice buns. You will be the bun used today. Just cut the bottom off of this as carefully as you can. It's bread, it doesn't matter. Time for the Big Mac sauce. We're gonna start with 2/3 of a cup of mayo. Ooh. Then we're gonna do 1/3 of a cup of sweet relish. 1/3 of a cup. Also gonna do two teaspoons. We're back. 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Make sure it's extra cowardly. 3/4 teaspoons of white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Wee. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Now mix it all up. That's your Big Mac sauce right there. Are you Big Mac sauce? That's Big Mac sauce. We're gonna grill some burgers now. 1, 2. We're gonna hit them with a little bit of salt on one side. A little bit of froosh. Smells like burgers. They're a little bit small, but inflation. Now start with the bottom bun. Do some sauce. We're gonna do some sauce. Do half the lettuce. Remove this from its cheese condom. There we go. Put that right here. We're gonna do our beef. We're gonna do half our onion. Second bun goes on. We're gonna do sauce again. Lettuce again. Let us be friends. Let us be friends. Why can't we be friends? Our 3 pickles. And then our beef again. And do our onions on top of that. And a bun on top. Return of the Mac. Woo! That's a fucking Big Mac. Oh yeah. It's a Big Mac. You are perfect. No creativity needed. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Bye, friends. Let's make another one.